The DEWALT DCF923B atomic cordless impact wrench with a hog ring anvil is making waves in the world of power tools, offering impressive performance in a compact package. Here's a comprehensive review to help you decide if it's the right addition to your toolbox. Adaptable fastening range. With up to 300 feet-pounds of max fastening torque and 450 feet-pounds of max breakaway torque, this impact wrench proves its mettle in handling various fastening tasks with ease. Enhanced user control. Equipped with 4 speed settings, including a timber screw mode, this tool ensures optimal performance across different applications. The precision wrench control feature prevents over-tightening and fastener runoff, giving users added control and precision. Bright workspaces. Dark work areas are no match for the onboard LED with brightness control, providing ample illumination for improved visibility during operation. Quick bit changes. The hog ring anvil facilitates rapid and secure socket changes, enhancing efficiency and convenience during tasks. Compact design. Despite its impressive power, the atomic cordless impact wrench remains maneuverable in tight spaces, making it a versatile companion for various projects. User feedback. Powerful performance. Users have reported successful experiences, such as effortlessly removing Ford F-150 lug nuts, showcasing the tool's robust capabilities. Battery life. Despite initial reservations about cordless tools, users praise the remarkable battery life, allowing for prolonged usage without power loss. Compact and ergonomic. While some users with larger hands encountered minor issues, such as accidentally triggering the reverse button, they appreciate the compact design and maneuverability of the tool. Versatility. From automotive tasks to general mechanical work, users find this impact wrench to be a reliable all-in-one solution, offering sufficient power for various applications. Final verdict. The DEWALT DCF923B atomic cordless impact wrench emerges as a top contender for those seeking a balance of power, versatility, and portability in their power tools. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, its compact design, impressive torque, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any toolbox. If you're in the market for a high-performance cordless impact wrench that can tackle a wide range of tasks with ease, the DEWALT DCF923B is undoubtedly worth considering.